Okay, so here's my attempt at showing you how to make a Doceri project. I'm not an expert, I'm still learning, but it's been working fairly well. So first of all, you're going to open Doceri, choose through My iPad Alone, tap the default iPad sign, then tap the plus sign in the bottom left corner to start your new project. Once you have that done, you can either write first or you can write as you record. You're going to press pause or resume as needed on the record button at the top left-hand side of the page. Once you have done your first slide, completed it, then you will pull down this little gray bar in the middle of your screen, add the white lollipop, and that will give you a new slide. You can change the background by pushing the double screens at the top. There's a chalkboard background on there, various different backgrounds that you can choose. To insert a photo, you use the little mountain page at the top. You can choose one from your photo library and just make sure it's already downloaded first, because if you choose one that hasn't downloaded first, it will take some time to come up there. So once you have your photo chosen, you just use your fingers to adjust it where you want it to go. You can draw around it, put a nice border on it. You could, draw a smiley face on it. You can write all over it. You can change your fonts, the colors and the thickness by using the little tools at the top of the page. There's a wrist guard at the bottom to prevent you from accidentally writing on your paper. Once you have your project completed, you're going to hit the stop button, stop recording button at the top. And it's going to bring up a picture that looks a lot like this. You can click by tapping on where this one up here says Untitled. You click on that and it would let you change the title to whatever you want to call it. To export it out to somewhere else, you're going to choose this button at the top, it's a square box with an arrow going straight up there. It says that it can go straight to YouTube. I've been having trouble with it this year, so I've found that doing it this way is a lot easier. Once you go there to that little square button, you're next going to push this Save Video button down the bottom here. Then once you have your Save Video button, you're going to go to your camera roll, and it will have saved in your camera roll. Once you go to your camera roll, you choose your picture. You're actually going to choose share some photos and click on your project. You press the photo that you want, press share again, click on your project, and then you choose YouTube, like right here, and it will upload. You will have to sign in to a YouTube account. I have one just for my school classroom. Once you have your URL, it's uploaded to YouTube. It does not take very long. It will give you the URL at the top. You can cut and copy it and then paste it right in here. I like to use qrstuff.com. There's lots of different websites you can use, but I found this one to be very easy. You'll type it right in here, right here, and then choose this dynamic button. I don't know what the difference is. Even when I read what's the difference, it doesn't make much sense to me, but this is the one that works fairly well. You can choose your output. You can download your QR code to your computer. You can print it, or you can email it to yourself. If you choose print, it's going to give you different options. And I like to use this one here, which has got 12 pieces on there. They're a good size, and you can put them on the wall or give them to parents. You can also do it a different way. You can actually record all your slides first and then do the recording all at once afterwards. the talking part. Depends what's easier for you. Once you're done, you're going to push that stop recording